Welcome back to 50 Car, a machine sculpted from raw aggression. The Hummer H5 Blood Red concept is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Cloaked in an intense crimson hue, this beast commands the road with an unapologetic presence. Every inch of its body screams dominance, and every rev of its engine is a roar of defiance. Exterior design, step-by-step brutality. The front fascia boasts a massive grille with illuminated Hummer branding, setting the tone for its bold presence. Razor-sharp LED headlights cut through the darkness like a predator's gaze. The muscular, squared-off body structure is reinforced with carbon fiber elements, enhancing both aesthetics and durability. Giant, all-terrain tires wrapped around black forged alloys add to its monstrous stance, while slim taillights and a sculpted tailgate complete the aggressive aura. Pros: fearsome aesthetics, high ground clearance, futuristic lighting. Cons: bulky size may challenge urban navigation. Interior and dashboard, a fortress of technology. The cabin is a blend of ruggedness and luxury, featuring premium leather seats with contrast stitching. The high-tech cockpit includes a massive touchscreen display, augmented reality navigation, and a heads-up display for a futuristic experience. Wireless charging, soft closed doors, and a premium sound system enhance comfort, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide seamless connectivity. Pros: cutting-edge infotainment, superior comfort. Cons: limited rear visibility due to the high waistline. Performance: unleashing the fury. A monstrous V8 hybrid system delivers earth-shaking horsepower, pushing the H5 from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4 seconds. Adaptive air suspension and advanced 4WD make off-road dominance effortless, while an electronically limited 240 km/h top speed ensures stability. Pros: extreme power, seamless hybrid efficiency, unbeatable off-road capability. Cons: high fuel consumption under aggressive driving. Market, price, and competitors. Designed for thrill-seekers, collectors, and off-road adventurers, the H5 is expected to be priced at $150,000 plus, placing it among elite SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus, Mercedes G-Class AMG, and Tesla Cybertruck. Driving experience, commanding the road. In the city, adaptive drive modes ensure smooth handling despite its size. On highways, it cruises effortlessly with aerodynamic efficiency. Off-road, features like crawl control and terrain response systems make it virtually unstoppable. Pros: ultimate power and comfort. Cons: not ideal for tight urban spaces. Conclusion: a titan among SUVs. The Hummer H5 Blood Red concept isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a force of nature that blends extreme power, futuristic tech, and unapologetic design to dominate roads and trails alike. Compared to past Hummers, it refines raw aggression with modern luxury. If you crave power, presence, and cutting-edge innovation, this machine is your ultimate companion.